Thanks for joining me. That's the main thing we want to get into. Um, and a lot of the people out there that are doing classes on this kind of stuff, they're skipping over the part about the real world. The real world is still a thing. Like it's literally still a thing. Are actually coming from. I know you may meet them and find them on the internet and on social media, but the real world is a real place and you need to be having your name out there as well too. So whether that's, advertising in person as in, you have your image to maintain a program. You don't have to run special. I would say pretty much making them feel special, following up, pre-booking, and being professional are your main four things you want to do. And then these two down here are pretty much optional. Or spreading the word about your services and stuff. 7 fills and 9 full sets. So you'll be a little over 900 actually, because that's going to be 16 appointments technically. But if you did 15, you'd be very close to your $900 goal. So that's pretty much how strategic scheduling works. Do your reels on Instagram. You can brand those and make them your own, so your feed looks very consistent. It's up to you. And it would be the same thing with like putting the titles on there on TikTok. Or I'm not checking my DM, they can get an instant answer by automating the DMs. They also can avoid, you can also avoid missing a message because it went to your request folder. To your ideal clients.